Okay, if I say slow down, slow down. We're skitching in the back of Ryan's truck. Probably not safe. I'm good. With speed. Well, we're going back. Wow! I'm good. I'm good. Not dangerous. What? Dude, wait, slow down then. Because I don't want to go slamming into the back of your truck. I don't know if I'm ready. Yeah, fine, keep going. I hit a speed wobble. You keep going. I recovered. But I hit it. I was about to go down. This is probably not safe. Yo, go a little slower. There's a pump. Oh my god! Slow down! And tell me when there's more bumps. Deer? Okay, I'm slowing. Where is it? I'll go chase it. I'm gonna go get it. I'll go attack it. It's probably not a good idea, but we're doing it anyway. Okay, this road is not completely smooth up here, so go a little slower until I tell you to go faster. Yeah, I know. Oh, fuck. Is it a police car? Yo, go a little slower, because I don't know where the edge of the road is. Alright. What the hell is that? What are you doing? I'm fine. It's better without the light, I think. What? Yeah, you can go. No, I think somehow this might be good exercise. Are we going around again? Wait, this road is all rocks. Let me get back in. No! Slow down, my feet are killing me, it's rocks. I'm trying! Slow down! Stop the car! Stop it! I can't jump on in the road. And that was our experience. Getting pulled by Brian Max here in his truck with rollerblades.